Let's explore how XLOOKUP works with a practical example from a supermarket racking system, where products are organized on racks. Now imagine your wife asks you to buy a chocolate, and she wants you to check how much that chocolate costs. The products are organized in the table below, and you know the chocolate is located on rack 1. You want to quickly find the price of the product based on the product name, in this case, chocolate. Key in the formula, equal to XLOOKUP, open bracket, select cell F1, which contains chocolate, then comma. Now, select the entire rack 1 by clicking on column A, comma, followed by the entire pricing 1 column by selecting column B followed by comma. If the product is not found in rack 1, show not found by entering open parentheses, not found, close parentheses, then comma, and your wife wants 0 error to look for the exact product on the rack, close parentheses. Press enter. Here you go. You have successfully located the price of the chocolate, which in this case equals $5.6. Let's give it a try. Say you try to find a banana. Key in banana into cell F1, which is not found in rack 1. Press enter. The formula will return not found. Alternatively, you could change cell F1 to text, say chocolate, by entering open parentheses chocolate close parentheses in the formula. Or change the entire column A to the exact range. Highlight A:A in the formula. Then use the mouse to specify the exact range in column A. Or you would like to do the same for price 1 by changing B:B in the formula and typing B2:B7. Press enter, it will still work perfectly.